First of all, determine the mass density, specific volume and specific weight of a liquid whose specific gravity is 0.85. So the terms mass density, specific volume and specific weight and specific gravity are, we already know those values. Those are called fluid properties. Okay. First of all, given data, specific gravity. Okay, specific gravity that is represented by letter S is equal to 0.85. okay, and we know the value of what we find, mass density, that is density of liquid equal to how much, and next one is specific volume, that is small v is equal to how much, and next one specific weight is equal to how much. First of all, we would like to find the density. Okay, how to find? We know the formula for specific gravity, that is SC is equal to density of liquid by density of standard fluid. Okay, from here the standard fluid is water, because of here we taking liquid, so here water is the standard fluid for liquids. So SC is equal to density of liquid by density of water. From this, SC is 0.85 and that is equal to, we don't know the density of liquid, that is the question mark. And next one is density of water is, we already know that is 1000. So from this, density of liquid is equal to 0.85 into 1000, so that is equal to 850 kg per meter cube is the final value of density. And next one is specific volume. Okay, it is represented by the letter small v, and the formula for specific volume is reciprocal of density, so that is 1 by rho. Okay, so here we find the value of rho, that is 850, that is equal to 1.176 into 10 to the power of -3 meter cube per kg is the final value of specific volume. Is that clear? And next one is specific weight. Specific weight, here it is represented by the letter small w, and we know the formula for specific weight is density into gravitational constant. So here density value is, we know that 850, and g value is constant, that is 9.81. From our calc to find the value, 8.5 Newton per meter cube, that is the specific weight value. Okay.